cat.
He's a little hunter.
Hey, he's actually biting the bone part off. You know, like heel.
Yeah.
He's actually biting it off.
And it's so cute how their head flips around like, hey, where'd he go? Where'd he go? It makes me so happy to see both of y'all happy with the toy that I made.
And it's free.
Yeah. We had everything to make it at home. Because you collect feathers, we had plenty of sticks, and we just used some floss.
I want to use it too. Okay, I'll get him enjoy his meal.
He's a winner. He's caught it a bunch of times.
Chicken dinner.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner?
Yep. Soon if I...
Is that string getting tangled up?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I will probably remake it or make another one that uses fishing line instead of floss. We'll have to save that for tomorrow.
Yeah, I really want to do one because he pulls on it so good.
I won't make it as long either, so you can play with him with it without having to stand up on something, okay? I'll make a new one tomorrow.
And then you can use this one when you take Kelly and Nick. Chicken dinner. He's like jumping off.
Oh, he almost did like a little flip.
It's a grandma and cat video. Y'all can see me.
You're hypnotizing him.
He's like, that does not look at cats.
He's gonna catch that birdie. Catch that birdie.
His kids were spinning all over him.
Drag it. Let it drag on the ground like a little mouse too. Oh, oh. Oh, that's too easy. He gets it real fast.
Whoa! This cat is crazy. He's standing like this for a second. He expands his hands around while he's standing.
See, this is fun for him because he's a little kitten. He's got lots of energy. And he's always looking to play. Whoa! There we go.
He wins! I get 3 points. I get 1 point. He gets 1 point. Okay, it's a tie so far.